Can't afford to buy a house, so we bought a boat. It's rusty and it's dated, but at least it floats. So follow our adventure as we build our home. Welcome to the channel, it's Project Bluey.
Good and empty. We've got rid of the sofa that was here.
Yeah.
Some students came to pick it up. Look who this is.
Hello, I'm back. Yay!
Mariah's back. What's the plan today, Mariah?
Plan today is to get all the stuff into the van, go to the 4th tip run, do that in under an hour and a half, and then I'm gonna have my hair done. It needs to look pretty again. Continue to work, continue demolishing this probably.
We've got a load of wood and stuff out here, and that needs to go in the van, and then we got to do a tip run. Flavour of the day. And I'm just finishing my croissant while Mariah
One in.
fights with her overalls. All right, do it.
I can't do anymore.
Back from the tip, and it's time to start taking out the floor. But as you can see, we've still got a lot of insulation panels and rubbish that we didn't manage to fit in the tip run. I'm gonna have to bring all of that to the front of the ship. Then I'm gonna start on taking the floor out. And then, after I've done the second level, phase 1, which is the strip out, will be over, and that's very exciting because we can move on to things like taking the windows out and getting them sorted, because we're planning to double glaze those, pumping all the water out of the boats, which is it's like hurting my heart every time I come to the boat. Waterproofing the boat before March, because we're going to be in the UK for a month in March, so we can't be here. We need to protect this bad boy from any more rain, so let's get on with it. Say as well, really worth getting one of these things, because when you see a shard of light through the boat, you can see these little particles of it in the air. First few days we were doing this, I was coughing a lot. I realised that a mask all the time when you're in an enclosed space with these sort of particles, good idea. We're at a slightly annoying bottleneck because I can't really take any more floor up. Then I'll have to move all this. If I put it outside, ready to go to the tip, it's all going to blow away. Might have to admit defeat today. Head to the tip tomorrow morning.
If you'd like to help us turn this boat into our forever home, then we are selling T-shirts on our website. All proceeds will go towards this project.